Hi everyone, nice to meet you guys again. So as we promised, this is our second live show. Welcome back to our live show. My name is Ava and I am the sales manager here at SPM.
Hello, my name is Sarah. Today I will also host this live show with Ava together. And today we will show you more about our company and our BFS technology.
Yes.
Welcome back here again.
So as we promised yesterday, today we will show you a test run of our BFS machine, which is the blow fuel seal machine. And then we will also see our manufacturing area and our workshop. The schedule for today is to first go to our office and we'll introduce more information about the BFS machine. And then we'll go to our workshop to see the test run.
Okay.
It's very
tight schedule today. And it will be very good experience for all of you and also good experience for you too, to know better to our company and our products.
Yes.
So now shall we introduce our company?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so SPM means Shanghai Pharmaceutical Machinery Co. Limited. SPM is our headquarters based in Shanghai. Behind me, you can see two logos actually. First one is SPM. The second one is Visan. Visan, as you see now, here is a factory, one of our factory sites based in Shanghai. And Visan mainly produce liquid production line, like BFS technology, like ampoule filling machine, well filling machine, antibiotic. Yeah, these main production lines are produced here. So SPM has established in 2004. It has been more than 16 years from now.
A very long history.
Yeah. Visan is also a high-tech enterprise. This title is granted by Chinese government. Also, we receive a lot of policy benefits from our government. So it's also one of our advantage for establish this factory in Shanghai. Okay,
and this factory is located in Shanghai. It has 26 acres, and we have the production area for liquid machines and also BFS machines here. We have our workshop and also a showroom for the pharmaceutical machines that produced by SPM.
Yes.
So let's go to see our certifications.
Yes,
we have honor wall designed to put all of our certifications right here. So this big one is the certificate for high-tech enterprise. We are a certificate in 2009 in October. And it is represented that our company has a very high technology background. Only a few enterprises can get this kind of certificate in China. And this golden one is the Chinese Technology Innovation Award. It is for very advanced innovation and technology. And this one is also presented to us by the 16th China Scientist Summit. It is also an award for innovation. And these are the patents from for our technology. And this is the innovation patents. And this area is also designed for our workers to relax here. It is all green.
Yeah, it's actually cozy working atmosphere here.
Yeah. So let's go to our office to learn more about the BFS technology.
So SPM actually have many products, mainly includes pharmaceutical machines, also like total solutions to medicine factories. It means turnkey projects from A to Z. Like you give us a layout of your workshop, then we will show you a running factory. Yeah, this is the idea.
Yeah.
So now we will give you more details of BFS technology.
Yes.
What is BFS?
That is a very good question. A lot of our customers are not used to this term. BFS stands for blow fill seal machines. It is especially designed for aseptic plastic bottle filling. So as you can see, this is a sample of the product. This is 500 ml and using the BFS technology.
And this one is 25 ml. It's also used for injection products. So the total process is for aseptic. The total exposure of air is about 2 to 3 seconds, right?
Yes. Actually lower than that. It is 1.5 seconds.
1.5, yes.
So I will describe you more about this process. First, the plastic material such as PP and PE particles will intruded in the extruder. So the first part is the extrusion. Yeah. Here is a graph that you can see presented the whole process of the mold. The first one,
extrusion part.
Yes, the first one is extrusion. So with the high-speed screw rod, the thermoplastic material is continuously extruded in a tubular shape. The aseptic air blows to the plastic tube paraffin, and the paraffin goes through the forming mold. So as you can see, the brown one is the paraffin, and the platinum one is the mold. So the extruder will extrude the plastic material through here. And the second step is the blowing step. The main forming mold closes and the bottom of the plastic paraffin is sealed. The cutting knife cuts the paraffin. The top of plastic paraffin is located by the open protecting clamp. Aseptic air continuously protects the open tube paraffin. So the blowing air is the aseptic air that is filtered by 2 filters, and then it will blow into the paraffin, and then the paraffin will form into the mold shape.
Yeah.
So it will form into the mold like this.
Okay, that's easy to understand.
Yes. So the third step is the filling, which means that the liquid is filled immediately and the air in the container is displaced. In the filling process, the container are protected by the aseptic air as grade A. So a lot of our customers are worried about how do you keep the whole process aseptic. This is how we do it. So during the whole filling and blowing part, it is all protected in a grade A shower, which means the air blowing into the mold are aseptic and filtered through a filtering process. And then the next part is the sealing. After filling, the 2 paraffin between top of plastic mold and the open protecting clamp remains semi-melting condition. And then the sealed mold closes and forms the top of the container and keeps the container sealed. So this step is to seal this part. We have our patent technology that has different thickness of the film throughout the bottle. This part, the body part, is a little bit thinner compared to the top part. Yes, the cap part.
For the cap, we have different caps, right? Like what cans?
Like Euro cap and also this kind of cap. Yeah. We can customize different types of caps according to our customers' needs.
That's good. What's the next final part?
Yeah, the final part is the outfitting. The outfitting means the bottles are transferred out and then cut it into the desired shape, and then we can transfer it into the packaging line.
Okay, so in this process, the waste of the bottle will be cut off, right?
Yes, that is right.
Okay.
Okay.
So could you tell us what is the filling volume? Like you said before, SVP and LVP. What are they?
So there's two types of filling volume put into two different machines. So for LVP is large volume parenterals. It can fill from 50 ml to 100 ml. 1,000 ml, sorry, 1,000 ml. This is 500 ml. This is 250 ml. And then the SVP is for small volume parenterals.
For this one,
Yes.
like oral liquid, eye drops, and like cosmetic one.
Yes,
Yeah.
Cosmetic serum, IV solutions too, and also some customers use them in agriculture and also mechanical engineering field. But most commonly are those.
This type, like one-time thing.
Yeah, you can just rip it off and then use it for eye drops and serum. I think it is a very good size for cosmetic products.
Yes, like girls, we all like the one-time use. If you cannot use the full of this bottle, then we can use this one instead. This one is actually very popular in Chinese market now.
Yes, that is right. So for SVP, we can fill from 0.1 ml to 20 ml.
So what is difference between BFS and a standard IV's project?
As you can see, this one is produced by the standard process. The bottle is put it into an extraction mold and then blow into the desired shape like this. And then the top is left open. It is not filling and sealing in the same machine, but it is opened, has an open bottle.
So there is a chance to be polluted, like not accepted.
Yeah, it may have a lot of bacteria. So once you have this open cap bottle, it will be washed first in a washing machine, and then it will filled and sealed. But when you wash it, it use water and air. So it created more factors for contamination.
Yes.
However, by using the BFS technology, the plastic material, the raw material is inserted into this machine, and within 3 simple steps, it will come out as the final product.
Okay. That's good to hear a lot of knowledge about BFS technology. So what is the material for packaging like this bottle, BFS one?
We can use PP and PE materials. PP is generally used for IV solution bottles because IV solutions require terminal sterilization.
Oh, sterilization.
Yes. And this sterilization has very high temperatures.
So PP can stand a very high temperature?
Yes, that is right. It is 121 degrees Celsius. However, for PE, this one is PE. PE is softer than PP. PE is generally used for eye drops, serum that is not required for the terminal sterilization because their melting temperature is below the PP material.
Okay.
PP material. Okay. This is also a PP material.
So different materials based on different customers' requirements. If you select LVP for large injection needs final sterilization, you should choose PP material. If you only feel like the cosmetic and eye drops, this kind of products does not need final sterilization, then you choose PE material. So it's easy to separate these two materials.
And we get to know our customers' needs and also customize our machines based on our customers. We can put on logos, labels, and also different shapes of the mold to satisfy our customer needs.
That's very good. So what are the advantage of our BFS technology?
So the first one, I will talk about the filling steps. The filling steps use time pressure control. So it is to control these two factors to make sure that the filling volume is very, very accurate. And we can also fill the high viscosity liquid, such as very thick serums and also emulsion solutions and suspension solutions such as those. And we are the only manufacturer in China right now that can produce that can fill the bottles from 0.1 ml to 1000 ml. We have the technical advantage to satisfy more customers, such as for IV solutions, big solution bottles.
That's a wide range from 0.1 to 1000.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, lots of manufacturers cannot do that. This is really our advantage for LVP bottles.
And our machine also satisfy GMP guidelines and also have FDA CFR 21 Part 11. We are also satisfied for those. We have different degrees of electrical signatures, and we can connect our PLC with our engineers' computer. So if you encounter any troubles and problems, our engineer can connect with your PLC and to solve them long distance.
So many customers will ask, when will the after sales? If the factory meets some problems for the PLC, so they will give us the feedback. So how long will we to give them the solutions?
We know that after sales is a very big part for this kind of big machines. So we make sure that when we receive our customers' problem, we'll respond them within 24 hours. We also have phone calls that is available 24/7, and we also have emails that you can connect with our sales team and also after sales team with us.
Yeah, okay. So I remember we have the total solution like turnkey projects for these big products. So what is the process for this one?
We can do turnkey projects for BFS machine too. So the first step is to make sure that we understand every point that our customer make. So we will take around 1 week to 2 weeks of information gathering, and then we will of our customer for 1 to 2. This period will take around 1 to 2 weeks, and then after that we will go through the design phase. So our technical engineer will discuss with our customer and then created the clean room design, the PID graph, and also the machine design, and communicate with our customer at the same time too. And then after that is the manufacturing area. So the engineer, once they have an idea, once they make sure what we are going to make, they will issue the drawings to our manufacturing team and also to the purchasing team. Both teams will list a schedule and then manufacture our machine parts based on this schedule. Once the machine parts is ready, we will have an inspection team for quality control and to inspect all the machine parts that is delivered and also manufactured from our factory. After that, we'll go through the assembly and also tuning. After the machine is ready, we'll test 3 times for the final product, and then we will go through FAT, and then we will send out the machine and then install the machine in our customer's factory.
Okay, so how can we be sure once our engineers left the construction site after the project finished?
We will have a special team, the after sales team, to help our customer to go through the training, the commissioning, and also to go through maybe they encounter any problems. We'll solve the problems immediately. So the training and tuning for these projects maybe take around 3 weeks to 4 weeks. And then after we tested the customer's worker and make sure that they learned what they need to learn and their knowledge, then we will left the site. After we left, we will also communicate with our customer constantly to make sure that everything is okay with the machine.
So this process mainly includes like machines setup and training and also maintenance if necessary.
Yes, that is right.
Yes, that's a complete part. Yeah.
And we provide 1 year of warranty and lifelong services for all of our machines.
Okay, that's very good. So maybe step out to see our BFS machines running.
Yeah,
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
It's time to show you guys how we run the machine. Let's go.
Let's go.
Is there any questions in the comments?
Yeah, the comment says, would you turn on the machine later? Yes, we are actually heading to the manufacturing site to see the machine running right now. So you will see the machine running soon, very soon.
Yes, we are heading to the workshop.
Also, someone has asked, is it blow fill seal 3-in-1 manufacturing plant?
Yes, we are a blow fill seal manufacturing plant, and we will go to see our manufacturing area right now.
Okay. I'm really excited because today is Monday and every workers are very energetic in their working.
Yesterday when we had the live show, it was Sunday, so nobody was there. But today we'll actually see how our workers work in our factory.
Yeah, that's really exciting.
Let's go through this door. So here is a production show board. Here is how we manage the production policy, and this is some of our workers, the workshop workers, and also a few plans, the QC evaluation sheet, and also some encouragement to our workers. And this is when we went team building plans, team building experience. Okay, so we will see the machine right now.
Like which one is running now?
This one, we will test run this machine.
What is this model?
This model is AFP3. This has a capacity of 9,000 pieces per hour. This one is the single station one.
Yeah. How much is this volume?
Volume This product, I believe, is 1 ml, 2 ml, 5 ml, and 10 ml. We can fill all these volumes in the same machine.
So this one, the material is PE, right?
Yes, this is PE. This is for a pharmaceutical plant in China.
What products?
I believe this is IV solution.
IV solution?
Yes.
Oh.
And here you can see the filters. This filter is for the product, the mixed liquid filter. And this is the extrusion pure air filter. The forming pure air filter. So we have two filters for the forming air. And there's a buffer air pure filter. And this is also for the buffer tank pure filter. We use filters like Paul brand and also PLC brands like Siemens too. You can see the Siemens logo and how we test around the PLC. So today our worker is testing this project. It will be sent out to our customer in a few months. We have already assembled this machine and also tuning.
So this part is actually a cutting grid, right?
Yes.
What's this structure?
So
What's this part?
you can see this one is the cutting machine. The cutting mold will cut out the product and then deliver. The transferring rod is transferring the product, and this part is the cutting. This cabinet is the electrical cabinet. We have a lot of wires and electrical parts that is connected to control the precision of the machine.
So here is the cabinet of electrical cabinet.
Yes.
Here we can see many famous brands here, right?
Yes. A lot of we use a very good famous brand to make sure that the precision of the filling.
Oh yeah.
We'll go to the back side of the machine to see how we extrude the material. So this rod is the extruder. It is moving up and down to make sure that the extruder is extruding the parison. And this tube is for the plastic material. It is transferred on through a vacuum. Here is the material. So the raw material is the particles like this. This is PP plastic. PP plastic material. And for this material, we use plastic plastic. And this is to transfer the plastic onto the machine. So a lot of customers are curious If in their factory they put the plastic in a separate room, will that be okay? Yes, that will definitely be fine. We have helped one customer to transfer 20 meters long for the plastic transferring pipe. And we use vacuums and also height elevation to make sure that there is no problem.
So many customers would ask whether these all machines was modified or designed for specific customers, will they?
Yes, we will design it for specific customers. Because first we have to make sure the mold is what our customer wants. And then after that, we will put on different kind of labeling onto the mold. We can put on the logos of the company and also the names of the company. And also we can change the molding to the experience stage and serial numbers too.
That's good.
For this machine, we use 4 different types of filling volume. And we achieve that by putting 2 different molds and 2 mold insertions into this mold. The inserting mold can make sure that we can just insert one part of the mold without changing the whole thing. It will save a lot of time and also save money to change a big mold. So the step you see here is the extrusion step. We will go to the next step, which is the blowing step. This is the PLC panel to control all the process. The blowing step is here. You can see the person is fixed with air, with filtered air too. The extrusion rod is moving up and down to make sure the extrusion is perfect.
As you can see, this side is the cutting bridge running. Here, the waste was cutting in this section, and the waste will put onto this plastic mold. Yes.
We are just putting this waste bin here, and in the pharmaceutical plant, you can put the waste bin away from the machine. So this is the final product. It is cutted through the cutting area, and then here. This one is 7 in a row. This is for 5 ml. And you can see the very specific numbers on the mold, on the bottle. And a few customers also asked us to put their logos at this part. These are for single use. also put the screw cap. Yeah, twisted here. We can put different type of caps onto the bottle. So we also have a CIP and SIP function. This cabinet in here is the CIP and SIP pipeline. We control it using a panel in the PLC. We also have around 13 condensation points, and the PID of the CIP and SIP has different outlines in and outlines for this. The PLC will also put out a curve, a temperature and time curve, to make sure that the process is certificated and also within the qualification. So inside the PLC there is actually a system called SCADA. The SCADA system mainly controls like many shifts, working shifts. Then you can send out the different batch of the product has different specifications and recordings. So this is really convenient for us, for the workers, to have an overall control of several different batches of products. That's right. The filter we use here are Paul filters. The CIP and SIP system will also clean the filters. So after this, we'll go to see another type of machine. This one is single station, and we will review a double station one. This one is double station. It has a very high capacity compared to the single station. This one has 16,000 pieces per hour. This is the PLC control panel. It has 5 levels of security password. And you can see the SCADA screen. The alarms will also tell us what is wrong with our, if you have troubleshootings, and the PLC panel will tell you what is the problem, and also we can solve the problems according to the information. We have 5 filters for this machine too. These filters are for the product liquid, the air, the buffer air, to control the pressure and the pureness of the air. This one is under construction. We haven't started any testing yet. This is also the cutting machine. You can see the double station one is bigger. We also have a double station that put the cutting machine inside the main machine. This one is outside, so outside cutting. The window there is outside the layer, and it's a protection of the window. So it's transparent one. Yeah. The window is acrylic window. We put the transparent window throughout the cutting machine because we want to make sure if there is any problem, we will identify the problem immediately. So the inside, if we put the cutting machine inside the main part, it will have a lot of compact area, and that will save more space. If you are interested into our product, you can check the catalog in the comment section, and also leave us a question if you have any.
Yes, you can also follow us on the top of our company name. So just give us some questions of what you want to ask,
yes,
and give us your inquiry if you have any.
And we are all happy to answer this. In the afternoon at 3 o'clock, we will also present you the pharmaceutical machines in our showroom. It will be presented by our machine engineer. So we'll go through here and check out the LVP machine. This is the only machine in Chinese market right now. Some of customers require a pop filter, and some of them require the cold battery filter. This one is also produced in it's a joint venture company of Chinese and US company. The filter volume is much larger compared to the SVP line. For this one, we are filling 500 ml, and it is designed for a pharmaceutical plant abroad in the Middle East. We can check out this area. This model is a double station or a single station. This one is the single station. We also have double station for LVP machines too. Double station will have a higher capacity. Okay, good. So you see a line here. This part is the electrical cabinet, and this part is the main blowing, filling, sealing part for the extruder, for the cutting machine, the filling part. So this part requires a very high aseptic level, and the electrical part, which doesn't care. So we'll put a wall here. So the electrical part is called the black zone, the black area, and this part, the main part, is the white area. So we will put the white area in grade C clean room. It only requires grade C, and the black area will require the regular grade D background room. Yeah. Yes. because the AC and pipelines for grade A and grade C clean room are very expensive and very costly. So that way we will save a lot of money and very economical by design like this.
That's really good.
And we can also go through the vacuum piping to input the plastic beans. This box right here is the current location of the plastic bean. So this is the back of the machine, and this one is the cap welding and cap feeders.
This one is Eurocap?
Yes, this is Eurocap.
Here? This one?
Here. This is Eurocap like this. Our customer require this Eurocap for their product. And you can also change other caps too. So this is the cap feeding machine, and then it will feed into the main part, and then the machine will weld the cap and then put the output right here. We are also preparing. This one is also prepared for another Chinese pharmaceutical company. And this one right here, it is just going through the issuing drawings, and we are sending all the drawings to our manufacturing team. And we will build another machine right here. As you can see, we're just preparing this area for the empty space.
Okay. I can see there is a different name on the ground. So it's for different sections, like this part.
This one translated to the mold testing machine, mold testing area. So when the mold is arrived here, we will test out how the machine works, how the mold works, and to see if they are ready to put on the machine.
Okay, like this part is the working area.
Yes, this is working area D. And these are the working areas too. And we have inspection areas over there, and storage room over there. So we will have a big thanks for you to join our live show today, and we are glad that we can show you our factory right now. If you have any questions, please contact us too.
Yeah, and also please join us the afternoon show, because we will have an extra show for afternoon at what p.m.?
3 p.m. Yes, 3 p.m. Beijing time.
Yeah. Please come back here again. We are waiting for you.
Yeah, see you in the afternoon. Bye-bye.